All right, y'all, so today I'm gonna show y'all how to make a boudin crawfish king cake. Let's go. All right, y'all, so for this recipe, you're gonna need to get you 1 pound of boudin, okay? So it's gonna be 3 of these links. You're gonna need a pound of crawfish, you need 2 cans of crescent rolls, get you about 6 pieces of bacon, get you some good fresh pepper jack cheese, y'all. It's gonna melt real good, definitely get that. And you need a jar of some pepper jelly, and some green onions. About 4 of these would be good enough. All right, so go ahead on, y'all, and just cut up all 4 stalks, y'all, of the green onions, okay? Just like so, nothing crazy. I don't know if y'all ever had the Crawfish Boudin king cakes, y'all, but let me tell you something. You give it a try. If you never had it, you'll truly enjoy it, all right? All right, y'all, so just take that whole half a pound of cheese, y'all, and what y'all to do is just cut it down in pieces like this. All right, and you don't want to go too thick or thin, so something like that. You know what I mean? It's going to be perfect, okay? Continue the process till it's all done. All right, y'all, so take your boudin. You got 1 pound. Take your knife, cut it just like that, okay? What we want to do is we want to take it out this casing, okay? All 3 pieces. So just do like so, like this, just like that, okay? That's perfect, okay? Same thing with your next one. Like I said, you want to make sure it's about 1 pound, okay? Now you don't want to do too much because if you overstuff the king cake, it's gonna be a disaster, okay? So no matter how much you love boudin and crawfish, you can't put too much, all right? So get them 3 pieces like that. Now let's move on to the next step. Also, now what I want you to do is go up in that pan, y'all, with 6 pieces of this here bacon, all right? Just like so. Go ahead and cook it till it's nice and crispy. Now don't burn it, okay? But you know, just till it's just there perfect, all right? And we'll move on to the next step. All right, y'all, so while the bacon's going ahead on and cooking, y'all, take your boudin, the 3 pieces, which is about 1 pound, that we done took out the casing. Go ahead and give it a cut like this, okay, y'all? Just get it like here, so we can get this all prepared up. So as soon as that bacon's done, we have everything ready to roll, okay? Something like this, y'all. All right, this will be about perfect. All right, y'all, now let's check it out. The bacon's done. It ain't burnt, just done, okay? Go ahead and put that down on, a plate with some napkins, like so. Then we're gonna go ahead on and do what we got to do. All right, y'all, so check it out, all right? Y'all see that grease at the bottom of the pan, y'all? We need to keep that right there, all right? Look about how much it is. Let me show y'all. Just covers the bottom, you know what I'm saying? Ain't too much. I like about that much. All right, y'all. So like I said, go in that right there, the grease, y'all, with your crawfish carefully. And then that boudin, y'all, that whole pound that we went ahead on and cut up. Go in there with your boudin. You want to break that up, okay? But we'll do it with a spoon, okay? Just like so. That's beautiful. All right, now what I also want you to do, don't spill it like me. Take here half the onions we cut up, y'all. Look at them. Take about half there, okay? Put that in there. No Cajun seasoning ain't gonna hurt nothing. A couple tablespoons would be good. All right, and then salt and pepper to taste, okay? Like so. Let's go ahead on and get down to mixing that up. All right, y'all. So now look, go ahead on. You need to do is get that boudin broke down and get that crawfish mixed up evenly as well. But you want that crawfish, that boudin, all right, mixed up real nice, all right. We don't want it in chunks like we cut it. We just did that so we could help us break it down like this, look, okay. Talk about a good old king cake, man. Next level, y'all. I'm telling you, you got a Super Bowl party coming up. Go ahead and make you a few of these, 1 or 2, depending on how many people you got coming. Man, you're gonna blow their mind with this recipe, I guarantee it. Look, just like so. When you got it all broke up, y'all, and let this cook down for about a good 5 minutes, I'd say, on like a medium heat, okay? All right, y'all, so go ahead on and shut that down after about 5 minutes like that. All right, and then what we're gonna do, y'all, we're gonna set this to the side. Let's go to the table. All right, y'all, so take the 6 pieces of bacon that we went ahead on and cooked with, just cut it like so. All right, nothing crazy. We're not trying to make bacon bits, just nice little pieces like that. It's perfect, okay? like that. It's beautiful. All right, y'all, now just go ahead and leave that bacon there to the side for a minute, and let's deal with these crescent rolls. All right, y'all, so now just go ahead on and take your dough, like so. All right. I find it easiest, y'all, if you go ahead on and make sure that it's nice and cold instead of leaving it out like I did. It gets a little bit harder to work with. All right, y'all, so now take the fatter part of the crescent roll, y'all, to the top, like so, okay? Let's put it like that. And then make sure that you have a little hole in the middle. You want to end up with a hole. You'll see what I'm talking about. May need to take some scissors, y'all, to keep it and kind of, you know, keep it all together. And then, look. So you see the fat part, y'all? Just take that down and wrap it around like so, okay? Just like that. Kind of work it in down here. Just keep in mind, y'all, as we're working this dough together, y'all, we're making a circle, okay? So you're starting to see that, you know, that circle start to make you turn on it. Just like so, okay? Kind of push down, but not too much. But you do want them to be stuck together. Kind of like that. Be perfect, okay? All right, y'all, so check it out. You got your dough like this. Go ahead on and take your something, cut out the center, okay? You need that little center to have a hole in it so that it does make a king cake. Like so. Just like that, look. Do like that. Once you cut it, do that so that you make it big enough. That's what you want it to look like. Check it out. Now let's get the filling. We got the mixture, got your dough. Go ahead and get you a spoon, y'all. Take your little mixture, of course, and put it right in the middle. All right, just like that. Now remember, like I told you earlier, you can't put too much, all right? It's gonna be a natural disaster if you do. All right, be coming out of everywhere. So just something like this right here, y'all, that'd be about perfect right there, okay? So go ahead on. Just continue this process, y'all, till you're done. But make sure you don't get too far to the outside either way, okay? Stay in the middle when you're doing that. All right, y'all, so look, just continue this process. Like I say, just make sure you stay right here. You need to have your room here, and you definitely gotta have some room there, because what you don't want to happen is all your boudin and crawfish to be falling out of your cake, okay? So kind of just like that. Take your time and go all the way up around it. All right, y'all, so now what I want you to do is take that bacon that we went ahead and made, y'all, and go ahead and put that right on top, okay? And like I said, don't go too heavy with it, okay? Because you only can put so much stuffing in here. And honestly, y'all, to be honest with y'all, this is kind of a lot. And we still got plenty of stuffing left over. Let me show y'all. So really, we could really do 2 of these king cakes, okay, with this recipe, honestly, okay? So, do like so. That's perfect. Now that cheese we cut up, y'all, go ahead and put that right on top, like so. All right, look. Boy, you talk about it's gonna be good, y'all. I'm trying to tell you. Look. Go ahead and do just like that all the way around it, okay? All right, y'all, so now all we got to do, y'all, is just take your dough, all right, and just say, take about 2 pieces at a time like that, all right, and pinch it down on this side, okay? I don't know if y'all can see it, but I want you to pinch it down on that side and just continue the process. Look, boom. Pinching it down, but not too dramatically or nothing, okay? And then pull this one over. And another thing, y'all, if you see any holes in it, I don't have any right now, but if you were to see any holes, anything down here, you can kind of just work it together. So, you know, you don't want, like I said, you don't want it dripping out. And just work it all the way around, okay? All right, y'all, so go ahead on. We done wrapped it all up now. I want you to take your finger. You're gonna need to use your finger or something like that and go around the whole house, you know, the inside of the king cake like this, y'all. Okay? Stick it to me. All right, like that. Once that's done, I want you to take it and kind of do like this, okay? Mold it out how you want it. Another thing I want to show y'all that I had to do in one little spot right here while I was off camera is I took a piece of the dough that I had extra, all right? And I had a little hole in it, so I was able to just take a piece like so, and let's say the hole was there, and just do like that, work it in, okay? So don't get nervous if you make a little hole in it, it's gonna happen. All right, no big deal. So this is what you're looking for. Now I want you to go ahead on and throw that in the oven, y'all, at 375 for 15 minutes. All right, y'all, so check it out. That's what it should look like about 15 minutes after being in there, okay? Just like so. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray some butter on the top. Nothing too crazy, but something like so. All right, now, on half of it, I'm gonna use pepper jelly because the kids don't like pepper jelly, so I'm gonna use half of that there, okay? Let's put just some pepper jelly on there like so. Look. We can get it to cooperate like so. So like I said, y'all, I'm gonna go with about half of it with pepper jelly. Like so. Put as much or as little as you'd like. Alright, and then what I want you to do, y'all, is go ahead on it. Remember the rest of those bacon bits we had, go ahead on with that, okay? Like so. Also, y'all, you can take some green onions. If you like green onions like me, I done put it in it, on it, everything else, look. Alright, put some green onions on there. I mean, it's absolutely phenomenal. Let me get a knife and let's cut it open. Alright, y'all, so this king cake is absolutely delicious. You should definitely make you one. You'll really enjoy it. Like I said, Super Bowl coming up. Make you a few of these. Everybody gonna love you. It's sweet, salty, delicious. Y'all go ahead on and check out an up-close shot of it, y'all. I mean, this thing is phenomenal, okay? If y'all like the video, guys, do me a favor, hit the like button, leave a comment what you want to see next, and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate y'all.